Hi, my name is Robin Puahala. I'm from Pearl City, Hawaii, born and raised, graduated from Pearl City High School. I'm a student here at LCC. I'm taking mostly online classes because of my newborn son. I'm studying secondary education because I coach at Pearl City High School in football and judo. I want to get closer to my students, and I feel being a teacher is the best route for me because I love working with kids. My project that I did was called Pin-A-Hawaiian. Kumu Parker from my Hawaiian Studies class asked us to do a collage. I decided to do it about my Hawaiian culture and how it affects my daily life. In my collage, I have the Hawaiian plants that are around my house. My son holding the Hawaiian flag after we went to the Sugar Bowl in 2006. I have my tattoo that has my Hawaiian last name on it. The Hawaiian culture affects my life greatly. When I was younger at Pu'uloa, I went to learn the Hawaiian language. Then I moved on over to the Hawaiian immersion program at Waiau Elementary. And since then, the Hawaiian immersion Hawaiian in general has been a big part of my life and my family's life. I just wanted to try and pass as much of that knowledge on as I can to my kids, my three sons and my daughter, just to know where they came from and how the Hawaiian culture affects their lives.